Hi everyone! I just landed in Vietnam, my very first time here. Look at this traffic! Hanoi is alive, even at night. These streets smell like coffee and fried dough. Woo! Amazing start to the day. You can actually feel the calm energy here. Guys, this is Ha Long Bay. It's even more beautiful in real life.
Hoi An feels like walking inside a painting.
They're making me a custom outfit in one day.
Vietnamese coffee is so rich, I could drink this all day. Morning walks like this make me forget every worry.
Totally worth the climb. The view is unreal. History literally surrounds you here.
Simple moments like this are why I travel. This train ride feels straight out of a movie.
I can't believe this journey is coming to an end. Thank you so much for following along. It truly means the world to me. See you soon.